This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten up your...
Hello everybody, here I am in the kitchen making up a quick lunch, and I do make a lot of different recipes for other people. For myself, I usually don't make recipes, but when I do, they're quick, simple, and easy. And today I'm going to make a recipe. Today I'm going to make some wraps because I have so many collards in my garden. So I'm going to make a pate, and I'm going to put it in here with some tomatoes and avocado. It's going to be great. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take about a handful, maybe, normally it's a cup of filberts, but I'm going to take a little, just like a handful of filberts, and then I'm going to take a handful of pecans. So I got filberts and pecans, and so I'm not going to make that much. It's just me, and it's just a quick lunch. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a food processor and process it. So I just processed that to a powder consistency, and the reason why I don't put any wet ingredients in before first doing that is I want the nuts to chop up really well. So the nuts are chopped up really well. Now I'm going to take some tahini. I'd say maybe tahini's a sesame paste. I'll take about 1 tablespoon of tahini, put that in there. Then I'm going to take some celery. So I got some celery, 1 celery stalk. And again, this is just for me for lunch for 1 person. That is kind of a lot of nuts. I'll have some left over. I won't eat all of those nuts. Let me chop this celery up a little bit better. Alright, so I have my celery. I'm going to put my celery in here. Then I'm going to take some spices. First thing is salt. You don't want to put too much salt in because then if it's too salty, you got an issue. So I'll put a little salt, and if I need some more later, I could always add some more. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take, and you can use any spices for this, whatever you like. I have some paprika. I'll put some of that in. Actually, that's turmeric. I got that wrong. That's turmeric. And I got a little cayenne. I like to just add a little cayenne to everything. It makes it a little flavorful. Then I'm going to take just a little bit of water. Just a little bit of water. I might need a little bit more water, but we'll see. So I want the consistency to be like a pate. That's why I didn't add too much water. I don't want it to be like, like a soup. I want it to be like a pate. So the water just gives it some moisture to do that. And I could add just a little drop more water. And that's it. Making these recipes does not need to be hard or difficult. Here you go. This is a nut pate. Absolutely tastes wonderful. And I'm going to take a collard leaf. I'm going to put this in the collard leaf with some avocados and some tomatoes and whatever else I have in the house here, but that's what I have right now. I'll show you the finished product in a moment. If you have comments or questions, post them below the video. This is really good. You can just eat it like this and it'll be good.
This is the Raw Life Health Show. Raw Life, brighten